Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most important concepts in AWS S3, the storage classes. If you ever wondered which storage class should I choose, how do I reduce my S3 bill, or what is the difference between standard IA, Glacier and deeper guide, this video makes everything super clear. We'll break down all storage class with real world example. So let's begin. First we'll see S3 standard. So what is this? This is the default class, and if you don't specify anything, your object goes here. So it's best for website, mobile apps, media files, and frequently accessed content. So key highlight here is stored across three ability zones. So it is stored across three ability zones, survived two ability zone failure, super fast millisecond, most durable tire. So it's higher than other classes, but keeps the its cost is higher than other classes, but it gives the best performance. So once again, I told like it is a default. If you don't specify anything, your object goes here. S3 standard. Next class we'll see S3 standard IA. What is the meaning of IA? Infrequent access. So think of it like a standard cheaper version. You will get still multi-ability zone and fast access, but at reduced cost. So its best use cases for user backups, disaster recovery snapshot, file access monthly, not daily. So key points here, you have the low storage cost, still fast access, retrieval fee applies. So minimum 30-day storage charge and minimum object size is 128 KB. So this is the infrequent access, but still fast. Now next class we'll see S3 one zone IA. So this is the cheapest and fast access. So it is same as standard IA, but stored in only one ability zone. Note this point. It is stored in one ability zone. So here data is stored in a single ability zone, based for non-critical data and recreatable data, temporary files. So here there is warning. If that ability zone goes down, your data become unavailable. So what is its cost is cheaper than standard IA, same IA retrieval fee, same 30-day minimum charge. So this was the standard one your IA. Next class we'll see S3 Glacier Instant Retrieval. So this is for archival storage that you don't need daily. Note this point. This is the use case that you don't need daily, but when you do it will be available in milliseconds. So when you don't need the file daily, but when you require, it should be available in milliseconds. So there we'll go to the instant retrieval. So its use case is best for long-term backups, and if you rarely access the document, complex data. So its feature, let's see its feature. It's multi-ability on low cost storage, and here minimum is 90-day charge. You have to give the charge of 90 days, and minimum object size is 128 KB. So next we have S3 Glacier Flexible Retrieval. So this is true cold storage with delayed retrieval. So in this we will get the delayed retrieval based for archive that rarely require access. Logs, suppose we have logs older than 1 to 2 years ago, and retrieval time is 1 to 5 minutes standard. If you take standard 3 to 5 hours, if you take bulk 5 to 12 hours. So for cost, it's very cheap storage, and it's same 90-day minimum and 40 KB the minimum site charge. Next storage class S3 Glacier Deeper Guide. So it is the cheapest storage class in AWS. Again, I am telling it is the cheapest storage class, ideal for data that may not need for access for years of years. and best for legal compliance archives, long-term backup, government or healthcare storage, and retrieval is standard up to 12 hours, and if you take bulk, it will take up to 48 hours. So for pricing, it's 180-day minimum, and minimum size is 40 KB. Next, we'll see S3 intelligent tiering. So this is the smartest. AWS monitor your object and automatically move it to the between tiers. So when you choose this S3 intelligent tiering, AWS monitor your object and automatically move it between these tiers. So it's best use case for unpredictable access patterns, data you don't want to manually optimize, large data sets where cost matters. So its feature is optimize storage automatically, small monitoring fee per 1000 object, no performance impact, no retrieval fee. Next, so now the question comes, how to choose the right storage classes? We have to choose the right storage classes for cost. So suppose if we need instant millisecond access, then we'll go to the S3 standard frequent, S3 standard infrequent access for rarely used data. Then if we need S3 one zone, if ability zone failure is okay. If you are okay with agent failure, then you will go to S3 one zone. Or if you require long-term data archival data, so you can go to the deep archive, Glacier deep archive. And sometime you can also go to the Glacier Flexible. And suppose if you need rare but need instant, so you will go to the Glacier Instant uh, storage classes. And for access pattern unpredictable, as I told, we'll go to the S3 intelligent tiering for unpredictable workload. So now we'll see some comparison. So it's in AWS Architects solution exam. You need to remember this. Suppose if you are choosing this storage class or standard, so it's best suited for frequent access. Its cost is high and copy is stored multiple ability zone. Here you can see. Suppose we need rare access, then we'll go to the standard IA, monthly access, medium cost, and it's also copied across multiple ability zones. So in this way you can compare all this. So this is very important slide. You can take this screenshot. And suppose if we want one zone, so it's rare non-critical workload, and its cost is also low multi-ability zone. So there is only one single ability zone, one zone IA. If you choose the one zone ability zone for rare access, low cost, and it's single ability zone. See here, and all of rest of them are multi-ability zone. If you go to the intelligent tiering, so when we will choose intelligent tiering, when we need mixed workload, it will auto optimized. I'm talking about cost, and it's stored across multiple ability zone. And again, if you go to the Glacier Flexible, it's archival and its cost is also lower. So don't confuse, read one by one and you can clear which is standard class. There are so many classes, storage classes, and I explained. So that's all from this video. We'll see more things in our next video.